How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode of 2MChem. Welcome, good to see you. Have you been here before? If you haven't, please make sure you drop a like on the video if it helps you at all, and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. Now, in today's episode of 2MChem, we're addressing a really common exam question: excess and limiting reagents. It's always on the exam, so if you're about to study the May paper, make sure you check this one out. Let's go. Alright, so excess and limiting reagents questions. Here's our first example. We have this reaction where we have a mixture of 30 kilos of Fe2O3 and 5 kilos of carbon. Now, how do I know this is a limiting excess question? Because they've given me the mass of both of the reactants. So the first thing I need to do is go through and find the number of moles of both. Now, they gave it to me in kilograms, so I need to make sure I transfer that to grams. So here I am going through finding the number of moles of both of the reactants. Now what I need to do is divide that number of moles by the stoichiometric coefficients, the numbers out the front. Now what that does is give me a 1-to-1 ratio, and the one with the smallest number will therefore be the limiting reagent, which is Fe2O3. Now, to answer the question, I use Fe2O3 in my calculation and do the number of moles being 2 times by Fe2O3 to find the number of moles of iron. That's how I find out my mole of Fe. I use the ratio between the thing I want to find and the limiting reagent. Once I've found the number of moles of iron, now I can find the mass by multiplying by the molar mass, giving me my answer. They gave it to me in kilograms, so I might express my answer in kilograms as well. Okay, the second one, we've got 0.6 moles of aluminium hydroxide and 0.6 moles of sulfuric acid, so they've already found the number of moles for us. So now all we do is divide by the stoichiometric coefficient to find the smallest number. The smallest number will tell us the limiting, which in this case is sulfuric acid. To find our unknown, we use the ratio between our unknown and our known to find the number of moles of our unknown, so it's a third times 0.6, which is 0.2. Now I can find the mass by multiplying by the molar mass to calculate the amount in grams. To work out how much is left over though, I need to work out how much is reacted. So to do that, I use the ratio 2/3 times the number of moles of the limiting. That tells me that I have 0.4 moles that actually reacted. Now the excess will be the initial, take away the reacted, which gives me 0.2 moles. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, drop a like on the video if this helped you at all, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next episode of 2M.